Hi, this is Andrew from Email Marketing NYC, and as you can see, 2 months ago, I created a video where I tell people how to create custom unsubscribe page, or in other words, hosted pages in Klaviyo, where before they click unsubscribe, there's like options. Maybe they do not want to receive weekly emails from you, and so this is what that video about. But now how can you use that information for future? So I'll show you right now. So this is for example, this is a hosted preference page. As you can see, they can check or uncheck their interest and click update preference. But what can you do with that information? So let's do monthly newsletter. You go to lists and segments. You click create list. And here you pick segment. And let's do, say, no monthly newsletter. And you do property about somebody. And you do email interest. And you can put contain or does not contain. So basically, next time you send monthly newsletter, you include everybody and you exclude this list. So you create segment, and as you can see, there's currently 64 members. So basically, next time you create that campaign, you include everybody you want, but you have to exclude this segment. So this is how you use information collected from preference pages. Please let me know if you have any additional questions. Thank you.